Can't think of not being at Duke because it becomes part of you.
I think it's just being at Duke, and it really enhanced my knowledge.
I'm here and enjoy doing what I'm doing, so I say there's no need of going anywhere, so I just stay right on here until I get ready to retire.
What I value the most is the intellectual academic stimulation. Here is that you never being bored. I'm just like constantly being inspired by that. So I think that is probably the most important reason for me to stay at Duke.
I think the health insurance and the dental insurance are two very important things. And also I'm looking to my retirement benefits too. I think that with my retirement benefits here at Duke, I'll be able to keep the same lifestyle and not have to worry about finances.
I've gotten to go like every step in the way, from police officer to field training officer to master patrol officer, and then to sergeant, and then now lieutenant. And I've enjoyed that constant challenge that I've had.
You go to anywhere, and you say, I'm part of the Duke team. Not the basketball, I'm part of the Duke University team. It makes all of us look good. We are so lucky to be a part of something bigger than us. I'm telling you, there's no one who loves Duke more than me. Duke has helped make me whatever I am right now. And Duke helps everybody here gain instant credibility.
Anytime I can, I just walk on the old campus. Actually, believe it or not, it just makes my day. Anytime I want some peace and quiet or something. You can kind of picture what they used to be and what they became as it grew. That sense of that history, of that longevity, there's 75 years of something here.
Since I've been here, all my dreams have come true basically. I've had all the opportunities, professional development. I was able to go back to school, get my master's degree. I was able to find my husband. I had my children here. If you come here, you don't have to stay in one position. You don't have to stay in one role. There are various positions and lots of opportunities for people within the institution. So I think it's just a dream. I mean, if you had to work anywhere in the Southeast, Duke is the place you want to work.
Produced by the Office of Communication Services. Online at hr.duke.edu.